Okay, guys, this is the video for lesson three. Sorry, yes, lesson three of unit two. So we're going to go here to the waffle. I'm in my Office 365 account. I'm going to go to all apps. I'm going to scroll down here to Clever. Now, once you're in Clever, you're going to go to My Classroom, and you are going to click on My Classroom, and then you're going to go right here to where it says code.org or code. And this is where we're going to start learning how to do headings, okay? There's two videos, part one and part two, just because of the size. So I'm going to make it very quick. All you have to do is have this in one window and your code.org in the other and follow along. Stop the video, type what needs to be typed, and then move to the next puzzle, all right? So I'm going to click on Unit 2, Web Development. So now we're going to learn about headings. So first one, this is an overview. Very quickly, you're to read through this. It's going to introduce you to this new tag. The first right here is the open tag, H1, and then this H2 is the closing tag, okay? Or I'm at H1. There are 6 levels. A heading is a title or a summary. Do not get that confused from head or heading. You're to watch this on pair programming. It's working together with another person, and you're more than welcome to do that with somebody in the class. We will be doing some of those as soon as we can get back to a normal schedule. All right, so in this, they want you to work with somebody. Maybe somebody at home could sit down with you and help you. They want you to find some bugs, all right? So bugs are errors that are in the code, all right? To debug it means you're going to clean the code up and make it correct, all right? So they want you to work with a partner and fix the bugs. So I have to change my history because I've already fixed them. Now, what they want you to do is look for the pink. So if you look here, here are some resources for you to read, okay? Why does the code sometimes turn pink? Okay, so read about this, okay? Sit down with a parent, an older sibling, sit down with your aunt, uncle, grandparent, somebody, okay? Now, so I'm looking for it, so let's see. Here's a pink tag, but why is that? All right, so one, you want to make sure the inspector's on, okay? So when I do that, that's really weird. When I hover over 3, it shows 3 tags. The one at the end of the second, right here, and then here, see? So, but wait a minute. All right, here it is. There's the error. And if you notice, there's no more pink. Everything is working just fine. All right? So now you're done with this. You're to click finish. All right. So I'm going to change mine. I'm going to start over again. All right. So now headings always have an open tag and a closing tag, okay? So what is a heading? You're to read this. You're to read each of these. One of the key ones is headings have different size levels, okay? There's H1 being the largest or the biggest, and it works all the way down, and then H2 is the next biggest, or the next largest. 3 is the next largest, or the smaller, I'm sorry. And then 4 is smaller, 5 is smaller, and then 6 is the smallest size, okay? So they want you to look through this code. I got my inspector on. And as you can tell, my hobbies is H1, soccer is H2, 5 years is H4, and then you have a paragraph. Then you have baking. So baking is H2, and then the years seem to be H4, and then the hobby itself is H2. What they want you to do is find the headings in the web page below and use the inspector tool. Okay. Make sure you and your partner agree what the tags do. Change the code so that drawing and 2 years match the headings on the rest of the page. So years seem to be H4, and then the hobbies are H2. So they want you to go to drawing. Okay. Oh, no wonder. Drawing is a paragraph. So drawing is a hobby. So we're going to do what did we say? H2. And then we said H2. And then, okay, years is H4. Okay, that's easy. H4. And then they want you to refresh it and save it. So I'm going to do that. Because if you look at it, see, now it matches. Okay. So we're good. So then we're going to move on. All right. I do check these puzzles, guys. Okay. Okay.